Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is my suit and tie fragrance. Yes, for those days that you feel fancy, that you are going to go to a special occasion, but at the same time, you want to look mysterious and with a really good scent. This Ferragamo F Black is a great fragrance. It's fresh, but at the same time, it's spicy. It's not your average fresh that is going to maybe look good for a couple of hours and a okay projection, and the sillage is not going to be that good. One thing that I like from this fragrance is how it's tough. Like the projection is really good all the time. The performance is great and it's going to last you for hours and hours. And the peppery and earthy notes is going to have you like a mix out of a fresh fragrance, but at the same time that is peppery and is integrated all the time. So if you're looking for a great fragrance that you're going to use for a good time and it's going to be great for special occasions, colder weathers and good nights, Ferragamo got you. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.